Tired of scrubbing floors the hard way? In this video, we've rounded up the best floor scrubbers to make cleaning faster, easier, and more effective. Whether it's for home or commercial use, there's something here for every need. Let's dive in. And don't forget to like the video and check out the full list in the description. Number 1. Bissell Spinwave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop. For frequent, deep cleaning sessions, reach for the Bissell Spinwave. This cordless electric mop features a lightweight and slim design and has 2 rotating mop pads that scrub and buff floors to a shine. It comes with 2 sets of microfiber pads, a soft touch set and a scrubby set, and 2 sample bottles of Bissell's Pet Multi-Surface formula. The Bissell Spinwave is safe for all sealed hard floors, so we tested it on hardwoods, luxury vinyl plank, linoleum, and ceramic tile. After charging it for a few hours, we filled the water tank and attached the mop pads. The water tank had fill lines for water and cleaning solution, taking the guesswork out of how much cleaner to use. The spinning action of the mop pads helped the Spinwave to glide across our floors. After a mopping session, the microfiber pads were always covered in dirt, which was evidence of how well they cleaned. We also appreciated the on-demand spray, which helped us prevent oversaturating our floors. Number 2. Bissell Power Fresh Scrubbing and Sanitizing Steam Mop. The Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria without chemical cleaners. This corded electric mop includes 2 mop pad options, a soft microfiber pad for gentle cleaning and a scrubby microfiber choice for stuck-on spills. Paired with deep cleaning steam, these mop pads wipe away dirt, scuffs, and germs. To suit different cleaning jobs and flooring types, this mop features 3 adjustable steam levels. We used the lowest steam level on our hardwoods, and the PowerFresh lifted all dirt and left our floors clean and streak-free. We boosted up to the high setting to power through dried-on pasta sauce and apple juice, and this steam mop removed both in only a couple of passes. We used the high steam setting to clean our tiled bathroom floors. The PowerFresh was easy to maneuver around the toilet and up against the baseboards. Number 3. EveryBot Edge 2 Hyper-Performance Floor Mopping Robot. The EveryBot Edge 2 is a robotic spin mop capable of cleaning dirt, pet hair, and stuck-on messes. It comes with a charger and 2 sets of mop pads. This robot mop features multiple sensors that prevent it from falling off ledges or crashing into obstacles. It has 4 moisture control levels ranging from dry to wet mopping. When we received the EveryBot Edge 2, we were impressed by how simple the setup was. Most robotic mops require users to download an app, but the Edge 2 came with a remote control. To use the Edge 2, we filled the removable water tank, put on a set of soft mopping pads, and pressed play. It quickly mopped our kitchen and was so quiet that we forgot it was cleaning. The EveryBot has multiple settings, which include auto, intensive, edge, focus, 50-minute, and step. We regularly used the 50-minute button, allowing the mop to wander from room to room. To test if the Edge 2 could clean dried food and a sticky drink, we used the focus mode, which concentrates on a small area. Number 4. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Graying grout? The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber is a solution that fits comfortably in hand. This small but mighty water-resistant power scrubber is electric and cordless, running on 4 AA batteries included. Similar in shape to an electric toothbrush, it's designed for small scrubbing jobs, like getting into grout lines, around bathroom and kitchen fixtures, and deep into tight corners. Our first test for the Rubbermaid Reveal involves trying to restore discolored grout. We sprayed the grout with our favorite cleaner and let it sit for 5 minutes per the manufacturer's instructions. We then used the power scrubber with the multi-purpose flat brush head, and within a few seconds, we witnessed our dirty brown grout lines turn back to their original pearl gray color. We also tried the tapered grout cleaning head, but ironically found the flat head much more efficient. Number 5. Giga 2-Pack Floor Scrub Brush with Long Handle. This inexpensive Giga floor scrubber set includes 2 manual floor brushes, To tackle a range of cleaning jobs, each brush head is dual-purpose with a dense brush and attached squeegee. The scrubber side features synthetic bristles that loosen dirt and stubborn stains. To clear dirty water away, the other side has a rubber squeegee bar. These floor cleaners are ideal for moisture-resistant floors, like sealed outdoor decks and tiled bathroom floors. Assembling these floor scrub brushes took less than a minute. The handle came in 3 pieces, and we could connect one or all 3, depending on our desired height. Possible brush heights included 15.6 inches, 33 inches, and 47 inches. We connected all 3 pieces for a height of 47 inches, which felt comfortable for floor scrubbing. After assembling the Giga floor scrub brush, we put it to work on ceramic tile. We vacuumed, sprayed our favorite grout and tile cleaner on the floor, and used the brush to scrub off dirt.